Warning, if you have a history of high blood pressure or are pregnant or have just started studying for the GMAT, you may not want to start here first. This is a 700 level problem, not for the faint of heart. One of the quick and easy approaches I like to use is called the easy multiples method. It's super easy. All it is using numbers like 10, 20, 30 to boost the number in question up to close to where the quotient is. But that's too easy. It seriously is. Let's check it out. Woo! This one certainly is nastier than a constipated bull in August, but I do believe we can tame it. First, we'll have to make use of the biggest secret in the game, the difference of squares. Look at the sheer complexity of this number. You can see how difficult it would be to evaluate 5 to the 6th, then subtract 2 to the 6th, and then with the number that you now have, you'd have to scroll down a factor tree. Not gonna work. So we're gonna have to rely on our difference of squares method to split these suckers out. Now this is more digestible, don't you think? Instead of one big number, we arrive at 2 reasonable factors, and we're looking for factors in the first place. If we evaluate each factor, we get 117 and 133, which is real progress. But don't break out the champagne just yet. This is the part of the show where we do a little bit of back solving. The trick for divisibility by 3 is a rather well-known one. Simply add the digits of the number in question, and if this new number is a multiple of 3, so is the number in question. So if 1 plus 1 plus 7 equals 9, which is a multiple of 3, clearly we can see that 3 is a prime factor of the entire number. And how about 7? Well, this is where we use our easy multiples method. 7 times 10 gives us 70, which isn't really close to either of our factors here. But 7 times 20 gets us to 140. Pivot just 1 7 south and you get to 133. Bingo. And if you're keeping track, you'll see that it wasn't 20 multiples of 7 that got us to 133, but rather 19. And so out goes 19 as well. Down to just 2 choices. Let's try 13. Again, using that easy multiples method, 10 times 13 gets us to 130. You pivot just 113 down, boom, there's 117. So out goes 13, and it looks like 17 is our answer. I hope that was helpful for all you experienced and advanced GMAT takers out there. If you have a problem that needs solving, please comment below. And if you like what we're doing, please subscribe to this channel, the GMAT Attack channel. Also, you can go to the website, gmatattack.com. It's your future. Seize it.